Are you trying to grow your channel on YouTube? This video is about how to reach that milestone of 200 subscribers. I'll also share with you how to add a subscription button, a watermark to your video, and how to add a subscription button to your channel banner. Remember to put your channel link down below, a brief description of your channel and what kind of help you want from me. And the first 3 people to do this, I will review your channels and get back to you with feedback. Hey, I'm Malin, I'm Swedish. I'm here to help you create the business and life you deserve, regardless of your location or budget. Before we get started, please hit subscribe and the bell to get notified so that you don't miss out on anything. I have all kinds of tutorials and tips and tricks on this channel so that you can grow the business and life you deserve. So, like I said, please hit subscribe and then we'll dive in. As a small YouTuber, we're all struggling to grow our channels and it's a lot of work to do it. And first you want to reach the 100 subscribers. I have a video about that. I'll share it with you up here in a little bit. You need to take those first steps to set up your channel and launch it. And then you want to reach the 200 subscribers, and that's what this video is about. If you have 100 subscribers, you're getting approximately 40 to 60 views on the videos that you're posting. And now we're gonna level up that game. In order to do that, you need to become much smarter on your keyword research. SEO, search engine optimization. Because let's face it, YouTube is a search engine and people are out on YouTube looking for entertainment, answers, solutions to the questions, their problems, their issues. And you want to be there providing those answers and solutions. And why do keyword research in the first place? Well, it's to find the words and the phrases that people are looking for so that you can create your content on that. And a keyword is just one word. A keyword phrase consists of several words together in a phrase. Those keywords and keyword phrases will end up in your titles, your descriptions, and your tags, and they will be the topics of your videos. And that's a way to make sure that you are creating content that is engaging people, that people are looking for, and that is satisfying any kind of need they have out there. In order to help someone, you need to know what their problem is, and that's what you're finding out with your keyword research. And there are really 3 ways to go about this. Why am I jumping on my chair? Well, anyway, I am, because I'm so excited. There are 3 ways to go about this. One is to do it all for free with the autocomplete function of YouTube, and I'll show you here. You just write a keyword in the search bar. YouTube will automatically fill in the blanks, so to say. So within that area that you're searching, you get suggestions of topics for your videos, because this is what people have been looking for on YouTube lately. And that's an easy way to start with your keyword research. It will get you so far. The other way to do this is to install VidIQ, for example, or TubeBuddy, and use the free version or either of those tools. I have VidIQ right down below. You can click the link to get the free or pro version of VidIQ. With that, this right-hand side window pops up onto your search page on YouTube. So if you're searching for a keyword now, VidIQ will give that keyword a score based on the search volume and the competition. So the higher the score, the better. That means that there is a decent amount of searches, but the competition is low. And that's a good sign for you to start creating your videos on that content. This will also take a while because you need to step through each of the keywords and the phrases that you're looking for. So the third option is really to get VidIQ Pro. It's going to cost you about $10 a month, but with that, VidIQ is doing the heavy lifting for you, because if you write a keyword or a phrase up at the search bar in VidIQ, VidIQ is going to suggest to you also other phrases and with the corresponding scores to those. That will actually speed up your keyword research work. As we all know, growing on YouTube takes a lot of work, and this will save you some time. And the important thing now is to create your video content based on these keywords and phrases. Use them in your titles, descriptions, and tags. In just a little bit, I'm going to show you how to add a subscription button to your video and to your channel banner. In order to grow from 100 subscribers to 200 subscribers, you need to do at least 3 things. One is to encourage your audience to always subscribe. So if you haven't done that yet, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on anything, and preferably hit the bell as well. Learn to do that. Practice this phrase so that you get it naturally into your videos. Encourage people to subscribe. And then add a button. So in order to add this watermark that you see on the screen here, if you're watching this video on a PC, if you're watching it on a mobile screen, you won't see it. You add it like this. You go to customization of your channel, you go on to the branding part, and then you scroll down and select an image that you want to popping up in that corner. And you can choose to have it from the very beginning, throughout the entire video, or at the end, or just popping in a couple of seconds or longer into the video. And then you just save and gonna pop up onto all of your videos from now on. The next and final tip is how you add the subscription button to your channel banner, and it's right here. Now we go to customizing your channel banner, and you do that right here in the basic information. Here is where you have also written your about section, which is important when you launch your channel. And this video is how to get your first 100 subs, and it tells you how to launch your channel. So once you launch your channel, you have to have this about section filled in. If you now scroll down to links, all you're going to do now is add any kind of text, subscribe to Malin or subscribe to Adam, etc. And then the link to your channel, and note $sub _ confirmation equals 1, because that's going to take them straight to the confirmation of subscription. You just press save and voila, there it is. Remember to put your channel link down below, a brief description of your channel and what kind of help you want from me. And the first 3 people to do this, I will review your channels and get back to you with feedback. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one.